Hey guys, a good afternoon to you all. So today we're making some rice with dal, like vegetarian dish. Rice. Here's our dal. We're cooking some dal. It's brand new. We're just cooking it, starting to cook it now. With this, we're making some potato choka, some fried spinach or bhaji, and also some fried okra, all vegetarian dishes. But we'll show you step by step how each one is done. So stay tuned.
Yeah, so we put the dal to boil. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna add in there and how you cook dal, Caribbean style, Asian style, yep, and how you make your potato choka also. We're gonna be back.
Alright guys, so our potatoes are boiled. It's all boiled, and we're gonna peel it now and put in all these seasonings, and we're gonna
Except
be
the
making,
potato, except the tomatoes.
except the tomatoes, and we'll be making potato choka, aloo choka.
So this is one way in doing it. You can peel it this way here.
Yeah, we boiled it with the skin, but you can also peel it ahead of time and boil it.
Scrape the skin off, however you want to take the skin out of it. And some people use salt and boil theirs, and we didn't put any salt or anything to boil ours. Or you can even keep the skin on. Some Americans keep the skin on. So basically what you do, you just peel the skin out of it, like that. Like you're peeling a mango or an orange, something like that. And get it out. So we got 1, 2, 3 more to peel, and we're gonna be back.
Alright guys, so here's our potatoes, all boiled and ready for this potato choka. We're gonna be adding some scallions and onions.
We're putting in onion in here.
Scallions and some peppers. Yeah.
We can put in some crushed pepper here.
Crushed pepper seeds.
It doesn't come out, it.
Yeah.
And guys, some people put oil inside, but I'm making it a traditional way.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, and some people is gonna saute it with some chunk it with some oil and garlic and stuff like that.
Look at that. Guys, I love to have potato choka and sada roti. Or oil roti, but my preference is sada roti.
And of course with some salt. And it's your preference or taste.
Yeah.
And this is a traditional West Indian Caribbean style. I think a lot of Asians do this here too. Look at the color in it. It's beautiful and it tastes amazing. A lot of Americans would put this with bread and eat it, yeah.
Yeah guys, so we're gonna have this with some dal and rice.
Yeah.
And some spinach and okra as well.
Yeah, Americans do mashed potatoes with chicken and macaroni and cheese.
But that's not mashed
and
potato.
Chips and dips.
It's a version of mashed potato.
Well, yeah.
Well, you could say mashed potato, but it's the Caribbean people say, or Guyanese and Trinidadians say potato choka. or aloo choka.
Guys, look at the goodness in here. You can see the pepper, the onion, and the scallion, the shallot. And you can add anything to this here that you like, you prefer. And there you go, you got
Potato choka.
potato choka. We're gonna show you guys the next step with the dal, stuff like that.
Hey guys, so here's our finished product. That's our dal with spinach. Here's our okra. That's our nice, beautifully cooked spinach. And our potato choka. We'll have this all with some rice. We also have roti, but we'll have it with rice. See?
That's right.
Yummy. It's all vegetarian. No meat, fish, or shrimp.
Let me play my tune.
Yummy.
You know something go for the vibes. We like it right now.
Thank you guys so much for checking out this video and keeping our company. We appreciate all of your subscriptions, all of your comments, all of your likes. Keep it coming. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Until then,